Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the ilanguage.com. Today, we're introducing something super exciting, the AI language, landing page generator, your ultimate tool to create stunning functional landing pages effortlessly. This tool integrates with our simple web page widget in Flutter, letting you generate and render custom landing pages in just minutes. Whether you're designing a company site, a portfolio, or a product landing page, no coding required. Let's dive in and see how it works. So, what makes this tool special? The AI language landing page generator helps you gather all the essential details for your page, like its purpose, brand colors, CTAs, and more. Automatically generate clean, responsive HTML code with inline CSS and JavaScript. Render and preview the page instantly using our simple web page widget in Flutter. In just a few steps, you'll have a fully functional landing page ready to share with the world. Let's see this tool in action. First, head over to the alanguage.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel for free access. Once you're subscribed, log into your account. Now open the AI language landing page generator. This tool is powered by a specialized ChatGPT designed just for creating landing pages. The generator will ask you for some simple details. A brief description of your product or service. Your brand colors, you can use hex codes or just describe them like blue and pink. Fonts you prefer, or leave it on modern defaults. The call to action text, something like try for free or sign up today. Specific URLs for your CTAs. Images or videos to include, either provide links or placeholders. And finally, the overall tone or style, whether you want it professional, fun, friendly, or modern. Once you provide these details, the AI language landing page generator will create a landing page for you. Now let's see it in action. I'll describe my requirements. I want a landing page for a no-code AI tool that helps build UIs for Flutter and the web. My brand colors are blue and pink. The call to action should say try for free. And below it, I want a line that says subscribe to YouTube channel at the language for free access. I'll provide a video URL for the demo and ask the tool to use placeholders for the rest. Next, the AI language landing page generator creates the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for the page, all in a single document. It's clean, responsive, and ready to use. Now it's time to render the page. We'll open our canvas, create a new page, assign it the simple web page widget, and paste the HTML content generated by the tool. Alternatively, if you want to skip this manual step, you can provide your AI language session ID during the landing page generation, and the AI will directly update your canvas for you. Here's our finished page. Click the Try for Free button and it takes us to the specified action link. Scroll through the features and testimonials. Everything is perfectly aligned. If you added a video, it plays smoothly right on the page. Let's explore the features and see how easy it is to navigate. It's professional, responsive, and visually appealing. And that's it. With the AI language, landing page generator, creating a stunning functional landing page is easier than ever. If you'd like to try it yourself, head over to the alanguage.com, subscribe to our channel for free access, and start building your pages today.